This is my method for making buffalo wings at home without the use of seed oils, and they turn out better than what you'd get from a restaurant. There's something about the seed oils that really upsets my stomach, and I know a lot of other people from what I've read online have problems with it also. I've completely cut it out of my diet at this point. And chicken wings is one of the few foods that I actually miss because I'm not eating fried foods very often anymore. So this is pretty easy to make at home, and they turn out really good too. So I just salt and pepper these, and then throw them in the fridge for an hour to season and dry the skin. And then this is chicken fat from something I did a week earlier, and I didn't use the skin, so I rendered it out, and I use it for sautéing all the time. The chicken fat tastes really good. It's better than olive oil for sautéing, and I start putting these in with the thick part of the skin down. You can see that the skin is thicker on one side, so I put that side down, and then I don't touch them for 6 minutes. For somebody that doesn't want their wings as crispy as I make these, you can put a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan, and they'll start to cook through with like the steam before they start browning. So you still get fully cooked wings without them being as crispy, but I kind of like them like this. So I'm just going in 6-minute intervals, and I'll turn them over and try and find an uncooked side, and go another 6 minutes. And while they're cooking, it gives me time to make the blue cheese dressing and then also the buffalo sauce. I make the dressing with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise, and it actually tastes way better this way. I go heavy on the dressing because it tastes so good. The yogurt is pretty thick, so it needs to be thinned down with something. I'm using buttermilk because I had some on hand, but regular milk or even just water is fine. And then the blue cheese, I set out once when I start making this, so it can come to room temperature and it's soft, and I can break it up and get it to incorporate into the dressing. But putting it in the microwave for 15 seconds or so works too. And then just a little salt and pepper and mix it all up good, and it can sit and the flavors can come together while the wings finish cooking. It's been another 6 minutes, so I'm just gonna try to find another spot that hasn't gotten crispy yet, and I'm turning them up on edge. It's kind of nice to use this smaller pan where everything fits in there tight so they can stand up on the edges. There we go. And get them crispy all the way around. The buffalo sauce is easy. It's just melted butter and Frank's Original and a little bit of honey. It's got to be the Frank's Original. The Frank's Buffalo is already cut with canola oil, and we want to make our own with either butter or more of the chicken fat. And you can see the butter kind of re-solidified because the Frank's was in the fridge and it was cold, but it will remelt with the heat from the wings. So it's been another 6 minutes. We're just going to keep turning them, every 6 minutes until we've got all the sides crispy. So I just keep turning them every 6 minutes until I get to the 24-minute point. And then I switch to 3 minutes, just moving them around, getting those last few spots crispy. It ends up taking a total of 30 minutes. So at 27, I turned them, and then at 30, I turned them off. And they should temp around 180. Anything between 170 and 190 is good. It's a preference thing. And then, we're gonna throw them in our wing sauce here, and it'll remelt the butter. And the smell of buffalo wings with the sauce on them, nothing will make your mouth water more. We just gotta mix them up really good. Get them fully coated in that wing sauce. It looks pretty good. Look just like restaurant wings. Yeah, that looks good. Gotta throw the blue cheese on there and some celery and we're good to go. That blue cheese dressing is so good. Alright. There you go. At home buffalo wings without the use of seed oil. Hope you like them. Go Bills.